mentioned engineering culture, you mentioned innovation. Why don't we step deeper into this self-fulfilling mechanism where engineers, their day job is not to save money? Let me bring you that news, okay?
Right.
Their day job is something else, and they have their egos, they have their, wings fly, really high with what they do best. So where is this discipline? So CFOs can sleep quietly at night, and engineers can innovate and bring companies to next levels. So how do you see that balance working?
Well, first of all, it's about taking accountability to the micro level. And that's one of the coolest things that I've been able to work on with our team at FinOps. The ability to integrate FinOps decisions into your CI/CD pipeline and into source control, and actually at the change set level have visibility into the impact that the decisions that an engineer is making on any given day will have on a budget that seems like it just comes from on high. So the number one is to obviously make sure that the entire team has visibility into the impact that the decisions that they're making have on the company's overall performance. Hey, at the end of the day, we're here to make a business succeed, and all of our hard work is for nothing if we don't meet the financial needs of the business. We're spending our bonuses, people, and times are tight. So it's cultural. It's adopting a framework, and we love methodologies and frameworks. We talk about agile and we talk about DevOps. We should be talking about FinOps and getting our teams excited about the tooling that's out there. So at FinOps, we have integrations with Git that go down to the level of making a comment on a change set, so that a team can understand how the decision that they're about to make will actually impact their reserved instance position, their right sizing position. In FinOps, we talk about having scores about your overall RI coverage, your overall right sizing score. And so we can give you visibility because we constantly try to shift left. We want decisions to be made before they impact your spend, and not after you have revved the bill and have ticked off the finance team once again. So that's one component of it. The other component, again, is once you've got the goals set for the team, once you've done an analysis of where do we actually stand and what are the incremental steps that you can make, adopt automation heavily. So I don't expect any engineer to have a deep understanding of what the AWS cost and usage report actually means or says. I thought protocol level data transport was a complex topic. Let me tell you, cloud billing is an equally complex topic. You're dealing with thousands of different service types that are billed on a mind-blowing number of dimensions. And so adopting tools that allow you to quickly get up and running and integrate with just a couple of clicks to start optimizing your environment immediately is rewarding for your team, right? So it's all about the marriage of what do we do in our culture, and how do we make decisions on tooling that bring us return on investment, immediate return on investment. We love great and shiny tools in engineering teams. I think one thing, and again, I just am so excited about the work that we're doing here at FinOps, but when we made the decision to shift our billing model, our terms of how you pay for FinOps, from something that's based on an abstract of how big is your cloud deployment to how much money do we actually save you? You know, at FinOps, we don't charge you unless we're actually saving you money in a very quantifiable, down to the penny way. And so that allows us, my engineering team, to stay laser focused on the things that are actually going to drive value to the bottom line, the tools that are going to give finance teams visibility into how the environment is optimized and what improvements you made, you know, measurable. 40% is the baseline. And then the fun starts. Engineering teams can start taking advantage of all of these advanced automation features and drive down costs 60%, 70%. That's a really rewarding experience. And at the end of the day, we are able to keep our blinders on and just focus on saving our customers money, which is a really cool place to be.